If you've got a multi-room box, go to sky.com/help. There are 3 stages to setting up your new box. First, disconnect your old one. Turn it off at the plug and take out all the cables. Pull out any cables from the TV that connect to the box. Take out your viewing card and put it aside. Next, connect your new box. Put the dish cables into your new box. Be careful not to bend the copper wires and gently screw them in. Put your HDMI cable into the box and TV. If you don't have HD, use a SCART lead. Put the power cable in, plug it in, and switch it on. Put the viewing card back in with the Sky logo facing up and choose the right TV input. Wait for 3 minutes and put batteries in your new remote. Lastly, set up your new box. When you see a green light on the box and a message on your TV, press Select on your remote. Go to your hub and press and hold the WPS button for 2 seconds. Then press the WPS button on your Sky box straight away. The wireless light on your hub will flash, then turn solid, and you're all set up. If you haven't got a WPS button on your hub, press Services on your remote and select Settings. Go to Network and choose Connect with Password. Find your internet and put in your password. Your default username and password is on your hub. Press Select and you're all set up. For more help, go to sky.com/help.